Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the screen on a BMW 3 Series. Before starting, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents electrical shorts. Ensure you have the right tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a set of torque screwdrivers, typically T20 or T15. Lay down a microfiber towel to protect your dashboard from any accidental marks during the process. Now, let's remove the old display. Begin by using a plastic pry tool to gently unclip the dashboard trim panel around the screen. Work slowly to avoid damaging the clips. Once the trim is loose, locate and remove the two torque screws, often T20, that hold the screen in place. After the screws are out, carefully pull the screen forward and disconnect the single main video cable from its rear. With the old screen out, it's time for the new one. First, connect the main video cable to the back of your new display, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully position the new screen into its opening, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it using the two torque screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the dashboard trim panel, pressing firmly until all clips snap back into position. You're almost done. Carefully reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Turn on your car's ignition and thoroughly test the new screen. Check all functions, including navigation, radio, and any new features to ensure everything works perfectly. Finally, double-check that all trim pieces are securely reinstalled and the screen sits flush, completing your upgrade with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.